Scientists are calling it the most complete assessment of Greenland ice loss that's ever been captured. Dozens of separate surveys computed changes in ice mass using data from 11 different satellite missions. The findings show Greenland has lost 3.8 trillion tons of ice since 1992. It says that's enough to push global sea levels up by 10.6 millimeters. The study says there's been a 7-fold increase in ice loss within 3 decades, from 33 billion tons a year in the 1990s to 254 billion tons a year in the last 10 years. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change predicted global sea levels will rise by 60 centimeters by the year 2100, putting 360 million people at risk of coastal flooding every year. The new study sides with the IPCC's worst-case scenario, a rise of an additional 7 centimeters. Troubling evidence for all climate observers.
It's time for us to wake up to the reality. It's not going away, and it's speeding up. It's going to get worse.
This researcher says the findings are especially worrisome for coastal regions like Nova Scotia.
When we looked at 2100 and said maybe 70 to 75 centimeters for Halifax, no, it's going to be a lot more than that because of where we're at. In fact, it's going to be a meter, give or take a little bit.
Others suggest the Greenland study joins a growing body of research that says estimates of climate change impacts are too conservative. All the more reason, they say, for communities and governments to accelerate their planning for ways to adapt. Ross Lord, Global News, Halifax.